Make it a four. Make it a four. Oh my goodness. Doesn't matter. It is a star. It is a superstar power. And me. It does not matter whether you are Aither Shah, Aslam Khan. Oh, beauty, poetry. Poetry, I must say, sundar kritira vasadana hi jete bekutile se nuwa disutai. Wow. 3-6 in a row. 3-6. Oh, 3-6 in a row. Aslam Khan, you are reaching your half century. Uthaye balla kari Abhinandan. Aslam. Oh, look at that. Look at that. This is, look at the shot. Look at the beauty of Aslam Khan. Once again, in the air, fielder is watching. Fielder will be a spectator. Spectator will be the fielder. Back to back maximum. 93. 93. Make it 99. Oh. Yes. Bang on. Bang on. Take a bow on the commentary box. Congratulations. Congratulations, Aslam Khan. You are beauty. You are beauty. Just standing ovation for Aslam Khan. The first maiden century in the history of the fourth Adhikari Samall Night Cricket Tournament. It is one and only Aslam Khan. Wow.